All right, so welcome back. We are going to go into the essay writing proper. So first of all, as I said earlier, I'll be discussing the process of writing the essay. So this is the essay. Okay, we're going to be doing it together. So we'll get to a point where I'll ask you to go to the Google form and type in your response, and I'll look at your response, and then I'll show you what my writing would have been in the subsequent video. So quickly, we'll move on. So the first thing we want to do is to analyze the question and know the kind of question we're answering, and find out the different sections of the essay. All right, so that is the specific question that we're supposed to be answering. This is very important so that you maintain the task achievement and you do not write off topic. You need to be sure that you clearly understand what you're writing on, what the topic is asking you to do, and the subtopic that you're explaining. So now I'm just going to go ahead to start typing in this live class. And the essay said, many people, let's look at it again. Many people nowadays tend to have children at older ages. To the advantages of this outweigh disadvantages. So I'll just go on to tell you that this is a discussion essay. I've said this earlier. All right. So the type of question it is type discussion essay with your opinion. So if you go back to if you go to the previous video, you would see where I said that the discussion essay is similar to the complex opinion essay, where they are asking you to discuss both views and give your opinion. Similar to talking about do the advantages outweigh disadvantages. They're asking you to discuss the advantage, discuss disadvantage, then tell us which one you think weighs more. So they're asking you to discuss both sides, advantage and disadvantage, then give your opinion. Do you understand? So that's what the essay is asking you for. So now we understood that is a discussion essay. Now the next thing we'll do is to find the theme of the essay. What is the essay actually asking us to do? So what I try to tell people to do is to find one phrase that represents that question. So people nowadays tend to have children at older ages. What phrase represents that question? So this part we are doing now is known as the question analysis. Okay. So what phrase represents that question is late childbirth. A lot of other things can come to your mind. Okay, can be delayed childbearing. Okay, you can be giving birth at an older age. That's the sentence actually, but just get the idea. So that's what they are. That's the crux of this essay we're writing. Okay, then after that we go on to the question. So we're going to talk about what exactly is the question as what's the task you're supposed to do. So the question is this do the advantages, this is the question, do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Okay, that's the question. Sorry for my typos. That's the question. The advantages outweigh disadvantages. So now what this means is that they're asking you, tell us the advantage, tell us the disadvantage, then choose a side, tell us which one you think weighs more. So now you have to have an advantage and have a disadvantage. So to make it very simple, simplify it as simple as possible, it's just saying, does the good outweigh the bad? So does the good of late childbirth outweigh the bad of late childbirth? Do you understand? So now I'll just ask my essay, my way of thinking about the essay is I'll just ask, what is the good? That's my question. What is the good of late childbirth? Okay. What is the bad of late childbirth? Childbirth. So at this point, I'm going to stop the video and I'll link a Google form for you to go in now and type what is the good of late childbirth and what is the bad of late childbirth. What do you think? Okay, what's the disadvantage of staying with it? Well, that was one. Secondly, in that same form, I will now ask you, which do you think weighs more? Weighs more. So which one do you go with? Is the good really good that the bad is so little and cannot, should not be taken record with, or the bad is so bad that it outweighs the good? So I will send in a form now for you to give me your feedback. Okay, then next video I'll tell you what I think. I would either write the essay with my thoughts or you can stick with your own. Yeah. Okay, so